In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Moomoo. If you're using the desktop app and want to reach customer support or simply message friends and groups, the built-in live chat makes it straightforward. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to get to the right conversation quickly, and a few tips to keep things tidy as you go. Start by opening the Moomoo desktop app and signing in. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Chats. This is your home base for conversations. Click it to open the chat panel. Inside Chats, you'll find a search bar designed to help you quickly locate the people or groups you want to talk to. Type in the ID name of a person or the exact group name you're looking for. As you type, you'll see matches appear so you can pick the right one. This is the same place you can look up official channels, including customer support. Just use the search the way you normally would, and choose the verified or official result that fits what you need. If you already have ongoing conversations, they'll appear in your chat list, making it easy to jump back into recent messages. This helps keep your workflow smooth, especially if you're switching between different contacts or groups throughout the day. You can also manage your contacts from within the chats area. Think of this as your contact hub, a place to organize who you connect with and keep your list up to date. Reviewing your contacts periodically is a good habit, especially if you've joined multiple groups or connected with new people. A tidy list makes searching faster and keeps your most important conversations within easy reach. A quick tip on navigation. If your workspace is busy, remember that the Chats button at the bottom left is always your anchor. Anytime you need to message a friend, join a group discussion, or reach the support team through the live chat, start there, search by ID name or group name, and you'll be set. And that's really all there is to it. Open the Moomoo app and log in, click Chats at the bottom left, use the search to find friends or groups by ID name or group name, and manage your contacts as needed. With these basics, you'll be chatting confidently inside the Moomoo desktop app in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.